I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today. Hey, while we have a few minutes of alone time, let's finish up our cheeses. So yesterday I didn't have it. I didn't need it. It's the 23rd. Oh, you guys, this is the one. It is cheddar with caramelized onions. I'm telling you, if you could ever get your hands on that cheese, doggies. It was amazing. I heard the angels singing. Anyway, my family's coming over. Well, my sister and her boys. Mom, probably not. They're coming at some point. The boys have always loved coming and visiting my dogs, no matter which dogs I had. So, they're going to message when they leave. And at that point, I'll wait about 10 minutes and then I block the dogs off from the living room. Sorry. I'll block the dogs off from the living room, and then that way they can come in the front door and kind of get settled in. And then the dogs calm down a little bit, and then they get to see them. I keep telling Miss Callie she just hold her horses because her boys are coming. This one's truffle cheddar. But anyway, so my other sister and her two daughters are coming today. So tonight is Mexican. So I did not have any nausea last night, just so you know. I kept the little nausea bucket by me, but I didn't have it. Hang on, let's just do this, because you know me, I got to get it done. Anyway, so my sister and her two daughters are coming down. Her husband and one of his daughters and his daughter's boyfriend, fiance, whatever, is coming too. It's the first time that my nephews are going to meet one of the boyfriends. So it's kind of that. It's always fun with the new dynamics. Because the boys they just get to come and be silly. And the girls, when they're all together, they're just silly. They don't have to, they don't have to go and worry about impressing anybody. So I love when they all come to town because it's so fun to watch the boys and the girls just kind of regress to, being teenagers and being fun and silly. Versus, having to be, they're adults now. But anyway, so like I said, my sister is going to make some chicken enchiladas. I don't like enchilada sauce. So what I'm going to do is take like pork steak and ground beef. So they're going to come over here. We'll hang out, play, whatever. Not play. They don't really play with the dogs. And then when we leave, I'll bring a pork steak and then ground beef. So figure lunch-ish time, whatever time that is, I'll do the pork steak and maybe some veggies. I don't know. We'll see. As far as, let me say this the right way. I have not eaten good portions. There's no portion control whatsoever. But I feel like overall, I have not done bad in the choices I've made. I mean, let's back up. I had a brownie and ice cream then the first night and a bunch of nuts. So the brownie and ice cream, indulgent. Not my, those would be red light foods. Nuts would be red and yellow foods. But they're not like, they're not in the same category as as chocolate. So anyway, so I'm just processing out loud. Then last night, I had one cinnamon roll. As far as what was sweet. So the rest of it was nuts. I tried, like I said, I ate 2 M&Ms, but I just didn't like them. So that's good. That's a really good thing. So yeah, overall, my portions, horrible. But the choices, you know, they could be worse. You know what I mean? I could have had, 2 cinnamon rolls, or I could have had a cinnamon roll and then 2 cookies, or, you know what I mean? Old Terri would have done things like that. So, like I said, I'm just trying to keep some things, just trying to keep a little bit of control, so that at the end of the family time, I can hold my head high and know that I didn't binge out and eat like a brownie, or I didn't eat 2 cinnamon rolls, or I didn't eat all of the M&Ms, or you know what I mean? So I'm just, you got to take your wins, you got to, as what's his name? As Winston, hang on. Winston something. Jameis Winston says, you got to eat your W's. We got to eat our wins and accept our losses. And when we got to win, we got to claim it. I think that's how he does a W. A W. When we get those wins, we got to claim them wins, baby. This ain't no gang sign. This is the letter W. We're going to eat our wins. Anyway, so that's what's going on today. I'll show you what I can when I can. Bye. Okay, so I'm doing pretty decent. I had my 2 cheeses y'all saw. I did buy a thing of different types of popcorn. So I've had about 3 kernels of popcorn of about 6 flavors. So anyway, this is my lunch. I'm having this is a pork steak and half a piece of bread of the bread that my friend made for our family Christmas.
Stand there and laugh at myself sometimes because I'll be cooking something and it'll be flying across the room. I'm like, oh my gosh, I am messy.
Well, why do you think we always called you Messy Missy?
I know, but I just thought it was just y'all. I don't know.
You thought it was just us? Something we were making up?
Yeah.
No.
Exaggerated.
No, we did not exaggerate. Making enchiladas. So we've got the thing, and then she's got the chicken mixture and some black beans. So this is her method for making enchiladas. So that was Missy making the enchiladas. And Judy, she's making a hash brown casserole. We're going to put it together, and then we're going to take it downstairs for the refrigerator for her to cook later. And she's about to do some math. I better be quiet, y'all. We got to be quiet.
Plus 28. Oh, okay. It's 3 bags of 28. That isn't right. So I want
84.
I want 64. So I need to take out 20 ounces.
20 ounces. So they cooked some pulled pork the other day, and I've kept the juice and the fat. And then today I cooked some ground beef for them, or for a meal, and that's down in there too. And so it's like in a Ziploc bag. So I'm taking it home. There's some hunk of fat from the pork loin, and then this is fat and juice. So I'm just taking it home, and I'm going to melt it all down later and do whatever I need to do with it. But just anyway, later for whenever I change how I'm eating.
See, that's what I don't get either.
Is it?
That's supposed to be, I guess.
Salad without the
Back in the
like
day.
tomato
and a
juice.
chicken enchilada.
Yeah.
Before we
The
did
top I like tomato
The bottom's a little crispy. Sorry about that.
That was good.
I used to make these where they were much saucier. I'm gonna try a sip of one of those margaritas, but I don't think
right now.
What are you making?
So this is what's going down in Grandma's house after we're done eating. We got one laying there dying. Went over here, decided to push the music. And then we got Judy cleaning. And then we got Morgan. She's actually a barista. No. She what? Not a barista. What are you? Bartender.
Yeah, I mean,
Anyway, so she knows how to make fancy drinks. And then Susan's the daughter that Mom trusts to load the dishwasher. So this is what's going on around our house. Well, that is a wrap. We're back home with my girl and my boys. And I'll show you what I did. So I told you Mom and my sister were sending me home. There was a bunch of fatty parts of the pulled pork that my sister didn't like, which is fine. And so what I did was I put it on here. I'm going to let it cool. And then I'm just going to kind of maybe stick it in a baggie or something and give some of the dogs something or whatever. You know, I got to give my baby something. But then I also, that's not going to make much fat, is it? It's about maybe my pinky sideways wide worth of fat. But I don't know if you can even see it. It's hard to see. But anyway, it's only about that deep of fat. But anyway, so I'm going to let that refrigerate and separate overnight. And then, but that'll be more fat that I can add to that. So that's some pulled pork fat. So we're going to go stretch out. I'm going to go take my bedtime medicines. It's 8:15. I done came home. Y'all, we're done. You want to go potty? Come on, let's go outside. Go outside. Oh, come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get out there. Get out there, girl. So they'll go potty this one last time. And then we're going to migrate ourselves into the bedroom. And, oh, that was fast. He said, I know that there's FOOD in there that I need to know about. And you're not sharing me. No, sir, I'm not sharing with you. But anyway, I still have my fancy bedspread on. So that way, when my sister and my nephews came over today, I'm going to upload a little bit from a couple pictures and stuff from the day that my family took. Because when I came home, they took a walk. And there's a band shelter, municipal city band shelter. And it has my dad's name. They named it after my dad after he passed away. And so I'll put pictures of that and pictures that they sent me. Like I said, I wasn't there. They did it all while I was home because I had to come home for about an hour. It took me about an hour and a half to come to the house and let the dogs out. And then what else hang on, I keep getting this pop up. Come home and let the dogs out and feed them and hang out a little bit so that way they had a chance to go potty. I'm coming in here. That's what I was looking for, my pills. I need my nighttime pills. All right. See that big old honking thing? That's the antibiotic. There's my magnesium. And then I got my Zyrtec and my Singulair. As much crap as I take, you would think I'd be like just running a dadgum marathon. But no, I am not. We ain't running no kind of marathon, are we, Miss Callie? No, we're not, ma'am. Hang on. I gotta take my pills. Y'all just hold on a minute. All right, hang on. I ain't done as horrible as I could have. I ain't done as good as I could have either, but I ain't done as bad as I could have. I did have some popcorn. I'm trying to think of all, you saw my meal. That was good. My lunch was good, and my supper. Hang on, we're turning this air conditioner down. Lunch was good. Supper was good. Now the in-between parts, not so much, but I'll tell you one thing. Tonight, I did not stop and buy any nuts. Hey, why is that? Oh, man. Somebody threw up and I'll be right back. We ain't even going to discuss it. We ain't even going to discuss. Anyway, I don't know which one it was, but somebody barfed on the floor. But come on, Bax. Come on, Clyde. Get up here. Come on. Oh, he has to go around. He's a delicate flower, guys. Well, anyway, so let's see. So let me think. I don't even know what we was... Woo, hello. I don't even know what we was talking... Oh, I want you back over here. Hang on. Okay, So now we're on the bed. Hi, how you doing? So yeah, so I ate some of my meals. I had one cinnamon roll. Was it a whole one? No, I had half of a cinnamon roll. And I had some popcorn. I had a few nuts. And then one of the sugar cookies with icing on the top. And then I had, it was a mint chocolate cookie. So, yeah, that's what I done. So, all right, well, tomorrow, Chinese. So, but I think we're going to the one where you can pick what you want and they'll cook it for you. I've done that before. So, yeah. So I'll do that. And, anyway, that's what I know. So, yep. My feet and legs feel so swollen. I told y'all, you're going to hear me complain. But then we're gonna get right through it. We're going having a good time, enjoying the family. And then when they're gone, get right back at it. Come on, sister. Come on, Callie. Come on. Callie, come on. Come on. Ma'am. She said no. She said, I'll go in the other room. Thank you very much. Anyway, my sister was trying to get a picture of me and the dogs. Now, that was a hot mess. Anyway, all right, I'll throw in the extra footage at the end. I love you. Bye. Okay. You, get up here. Come on. There you go. All right, are you stay right there. Ma'am. Look. Sam, sit, stay, stop. Got it. That's how I know he needed his. All that work, but we finally got a photo. Holy smokes. And here's my mom and two of my nieces and my two nephews. And there's another shot. Y'all just get 2 shots of it. And then here's my nieces and nephews at the Nicholas Herman Leist Band Shelter. And there's my nephew and niece just being silly. Thanks for watching.